Are Indians spending more and saving less? And is that a good thing? That's the question we are asking. At least the data suggests that there is a shift from largely savings population to people who are spending dangerously beyond capability to pay back. Credit card spending in India has hit a record high of 1.5 lakh crores in August. Now, Indian households' net financial savings have also hit a 47-year low as household borrowings exceeds investments and traditional savings. So people are spending less, they are spending more, saving less and less with each passing year. But what's problematic is that they're spending beyond their means. So the defaults are also rising. In fact, both credit card and unsecured loan defaults have risen by 0.6% and 1.5%. Gauri, we are talking about a change in consumer behavior, and a change in consumer behavior to a point where it's becoming dangerous. As Indians, and this is what the data suggests, that we are saving less and less with each passing year. And not just buying, but buying to a point which is beyond our ability to pay back.
Yeah, see, there's a rule of credit card which says that you should use your credit card only to spend a fixed amount of money which you already have in your bank account, which you can actually pay back. So if you don't have that money in your bank account, you should not use your credit card, because otherwise people keep using credit card thinking that we will somehow repay it and then they'll default. And once you default the payment of your credit card, of course we know that the interest is really high. Secondly, I would say that when spending pattern is increasing, I think it's good for the economy because people will spend and it will contribute to the GDP of the economy. But at the same time, of course, saving is important. And as a advisor, as a portfolio management advisor, I would say that everyone should understand that there are different categories of spending. You should categorize your monthly income into needs, wants, necessities, and everything, and then plan how much you actually need to spend on the necessities, wants, and and then how much you can save. So if you follow the rule of finance, then I think at least 10 to 20% of your income you will end up saving. But yes, of course, if you are just blindly using your credit cards and not thinking that how much money is there in your bank account or how much paying capacity you have, of course you will end up in a huge debt and crisis in future. So of course I think the country needs more of financial education, financial literacy in terms of how to spend, how much to spend, where to spend, how to save, where to invest. In fact, saving and investing are two different things. I think not only saving, you should invest the money so that you can at least beat the inflation and earn something on that, rather than keeping the same amount in your savings account and earning hardly 3.5% or 4% interest, whereas the inflation rate is higher than that. Average inflation rate is 6 to 7% maybe sometimes. So yeah, so I think you should invest the money properly, and then you should let your money compound for your future, for your retirement, for your any other goal, buying your house, or maybe education of your children, or any kind of goal you have in your life.
Right, and words of wisdom coming in there from Gauri. Divide your expenses on the basis of needs and wants. Have to draw a line between spending and saving. Not a very good characteristic there, as far as, or not a very good trend there, but it's good for economy as it drives more consumption. However, it's also important to have enough in your bank balance for a rainy day, and we continue to bring you all those investment advice every day in the morning and in the evening. But Gauri, thank you so much for joining in. Thank you for your words of wisdom. We'll come back to you as and when
For
we can.
having me.